In this part of our training course, we want to teach you how to draw an exhaust system. And I need it for the bathroom. Before that, I have to add an exhaust fan into the project. From the Systems tab, I go to the Mechanical Equipment, Load Family. After that, I go to the Favorites, Project File Family, and select the Electrical Exhaust Fan. And in the current level, I equalize the exhaust fan in the drop ceiling, estimately 8 feet 7 over 4, 8 7 3 over 4, sorry, is space. And with using the space, you can rotate the exhaust fan. And the exhaust fan which I select, it provides 70 to 80, and I check its elevation by make it section here. This is our exhaust fan, and I align it into the drop ceiling. Top edge is good. Please remember this figure. I want to check its place on the drop ceiling. We have a section which can use it to see up. Okay, if you select a normal section, just you can see this. It's not possible to go through this. So I check the section into detail. Now I can make a section upward. Now I see upward. This is my exhaust fan and its place. So I align its place and I select this one and I close this window. And next level is the connection of duct with that. I check the duct. If you remember, we went to duct system, exhaust air, type properties, and this window, graphic override, and shape of the line, and the size and thickness. 3 is good. We do not apply any material to that, and its abbreviation is EX. And riser duct type has selected, and I choose the red for the color of that. Next step is the extending the duct. If the situation is not good to through a duct side of the wall, and you have to make through the wall, you have to tell the architecture to be familiar with the architecture. If the walls are panel, must change. Okay, if this situation is not available, you have to find another route with the consulting with the architect. Now my route, we have stairs here, so it's not possible to find the route for my duct from here. So I checked my duct again to find another route. So my route is not good. So I have to move it side by side of the duct. And so usually the diameter of the exhaust fan is about 6 inches. I extend it to the left, but I need to check it to prevent clashes.